galactic groove, you know. Burning the dance floor, elevating the vibration, rolling with purpose. And there's some on the sidelines who don't believe everything that we do, always casting doubts on what we hold important. And there are others too who are there, who are waiting for things to move forward so they can be part of the movement. Just when the train is leaving the station, they're gonna hitch a ride, you know.
And the message is the beat.
Yeah. But you see, the words are gonna really fly on the wings of the morning across galaxies, surfing through time and space. And they're always waiting for that message, you know. The message will not filter through the preacher man's preaching at the top of his voice while on the sidewalk will die for the lack of knowledge, you know. High on the latest drugs, bargaining the future for another hit of the devil's pie. The message is not gonna slip through a crack in the sky or a crack in the line. And the message cannot be heard when many are caught in different parts of the political divide while distracted from what's going on. I know some are hearing it right now. Oh yeah. Yeah, the message is gonna slip through on a bullish day on Wall Street when Main Street sinks deeper into the dustbin of history. Oh yeah! Right out there! But now we're moving higher to a new paradigm, splitting atoms with melodies, moving souls with higher vibrations.